So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit language settings here on the MetaMask application. So once MetaMask is opened up, I want you guys to go to the top right and press on the three horizontal lines. Once we're here, I want you to go under Manage to where it says Settings. Then at the top, there's a bunch of different options, but where it says General, Currency Conversion, Primary Currency Language, we want to go ahead and select that. Once we're here, just scroll down a little bit to where it says current language. If you were to go ahead here and select English right here, you can actually change this to whatever. So if you wanted to change it to Spanish, you can change it to Spanish. It's going to go ahead and actually be in Spanish right here. So the only tricky part here, I guess, in theory, is changing it back because I don't speak Spanish. But if I were to go down, once again, change it back to English just like this, your app will be changed back to the language that you set it up in. So just be careful there, I guess, or just remember what you're doing, but that's how you guys can edit your language. I guess edit your language settings here in MetaMask. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.